Here we have a Dayton model. Oh, let's see here. Will you focus? Model 4C 510/B by Dayton Electric, Chicago, Illinois. 120 volt, 60 hertz, 2.1 amps. So it's actually made by Lakewood, for those who may not know. This is, well, this is a technically Lakewood S223 third gen is what it would be if it was under Lakewood. I picked this up when I was out west, along with I think like 10 other fans when I was out there, just getting around to it. They're doing videos on them. This is actually in really nice shape. Other than the blade, I could probably find another blade for this thing. Back grill's a little yellowed out. I think this was in a window. But front grill's really nice. But anyway, we'll start on low. It's got a really nice low speed. It's not too fast and not too slow. Yeah, seeing this in the third gen blade with a square frame, these are actually kind of rare. Normally this would have a first gen or second gen blade in it, but third gens were seen in the late 80s, like 88, 89, somewhere in there. Go to medium. Whoop. This is like a high on a third gen, a true third gen at that. A little high. It's a decent air mover. It's not too bad. And we have a day code. I ain't gonna be able to pick it up on camera. It is looks like it says S87. Excuse me, B87. So this is from February of 1987. So yeah, that would actually make more sense, because third gens came out in about very late 86, early 87, and they went up until I believe 1990, and then they went over to I call the fourth gen, but they're actually just called 223 at that point, or 200i, which they're really just a fourth gen Lakewood. Fourth gen Lakewood P223, technically, but that's not what they are. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.